Hello friends, welcome back to another episode with the latest SpaceX updates. Today, SpaceX teams have once again stacked Ship 24 onto Booster 7. Early morning, S-24 was lifted using chopsticks arm, but when it reached atop Booster 7, they noticed a cable being hanging loose on the aft skirt of the ship. This led to an abort, bringing down the ship again. After removing the cable, they lifted and stacked it again, which was pretty neat and clean as usual. I think this is the final stack before Starship's orbital flight, as both ship and booster were tested separately. Now, I hope that they are probably left with a launch day rehearsal along with last-minute abort in order to test the systems and hardware of both fueling and mechanical parts. Now, coming to the April 10th launch plans for S-24B7. Today, I had a further investigation into this widely spread Starship launch date, but sorry to say that, this is just a date anticipated by the fans. Actually, there has a road closure scheduled on that date, but it is only for non-flight testing activities. Hence, no orbital launch on April 10th. For me basically, I think Starship's maiden flight would be probably between April 15th and 20th. The FAA still has to issue the launch license, and they will seriously take care of the mitigation measures set by them for SpaceX's operation of the prototype. Anyway, it could be issued anytime soon, and that's not a long heck. After SpaceX secures a launch license from the FAA, they have to install the FTS onto the S-24, which would require a DTAC. This could take a day or more, depending on the weather conditions. If anybody doesn't know what is FTS, I will explain it. FTS stands for Flight Termination System. This is to protect range and flight personnel along with surrounding area populations. So that's all about today's SpaceX updates. Now, today's question is, will FAA give SpaceX a green light to shoot Starship into orbit? What are your thoughts on this? Comment below.